What's up to all my everyday DJs? DJ J Rock in the building. And today we're unboxing something pretty special. So they say. We'll see for our damn selves. Shout out to my daughter Naomi on the camera. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
And so we're gonna get this unboxing started. We're unboxing the Pioneer DJ DJM-S11 SE. Special edition. Special ed. Super elite. Supreme elastic. Sometimes everything. So we are open the shipping box. If you would like to purchase one of these, hit me up. I can get you 10% or more off. So give me a shout. I can get you hooked up with one. So inside the shipping box, we have the retail box. And let's see. Voila. Let's get this bad boy out. Yeah, I know I'm Team Rain. I know I'm Team Newmark. I know I'm Team Denon. Let's see if Team Pioneer can win me over. Unlike the Rain, they don't give you a number. On the Rain boxes, they write, you got number 25, you got number 199. Pioneer doesn't do that. It's not anything major, just something fun. To know that you got the 4th or the 5th mixer.
Or the 27th.
Or 27th. So, she's a beauty. So we're gonna proceed with the unboxing. If you need to come closer or anything, you can. You don't gotta stand in the one spot. So, voila. Whoa. Beyond the music. Jeez. Jeez. On top, they give you the limited edition control vinyl. I'm almost afraid to open them, but B-Love is gonna kill me because I'm gonna put her on camera because I wanna see the look on her face when she see these control vinyls. B-Love, show mommy's face.
Ooh, they're orange.
They are your favorite color. Neon orange. So.
Ooh-wee.
So these will be reserved for B-Love. We'll put those back there.
I said, ooh, you know what I like.
We have the power cord. We have, be sure to update the firmware to the latest version. We have a USB cable. They give you one. Rain gives you two. That's something that I noticed off jump. They give you one cable. Rain gives you two. Come on, Pioneer, give the program. We're gonna lift the mixer up out of the box. One thing I noticed off the bat is that it feels lighter than the Range 72. I gotta go back and check the specs. But this is a, woo, oh my gosh. This is the limited edition. Faders feel good. Sampler volume. Beloved, no more fighting for the Q buttons. The Q button is a crossfader.
Oh, okay.
So that little thing I did pump out,
Uh-huh.
I could do it in the headphones and get it right before I do it out loud. Pads feel pretty good. The toggles are smaller than the Rain toggles, but that's cool. This little stuff that I'm noticing off the bat. So we're gonna hook this up to the Denon SC 6000 M's and have some fun, and we'll be back. Thank you. We'll post another video with it all hooked up, so be on the lookout. Thanks for tuning in. Power Jam DJs, Everyday DJ Podcast, live every Tuesday. Peace.